most boring video ever because Chicory is sleeping in the back of the car. He's got his head on my lap, as you can see, sound asleep. He does very soft little snoring. We just came back from a very exciting afternoon. We were working with a trainer to see how he did with other dogs. He did very nicely. He needs some work. He's a little under-socialized and sometimes gets a little excited, but she gave us a very good report on him. So he's pooped. He worked hard and he's sound asleep. You can see that eye, the eyes closed. You can't hear him snoring. But the chews can be, maybe you can hear him snoring up the nose.